Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. I was feeling very demotivated and I was thinking not to upload this to do list. But then I gathered my courage. These times are very challenging for us. But we have to keep going. And one more thing I wanted to tell you that if I am not able to upload the English video at 8 am, then don't worry, I will definitely upload it tomorrow as my health is also not that much fine. So I will try to upload it on time, and if I am not able to, then I will definitely upload it on in evening. Okay, so don't worry about that. So now we will start with the to-do list. First I will cover the current affairs from Affairs Cloud. I will give you link in description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount. Then for English, I will attend Nimisha ma'am's perfection class, plus I will revise my grammar notes. Okay. Then I will practice 3 mains level DIs. If you don't have any subscription, then you can go to MOOCs for mains level DIs. Then I will attend 3 videos of 1000 puzzle series. Okay. This series is on Unacademy. Then there is one mains level puzzle. You can open your mock test and solve this puzzle. Then next is 2 questions of coded blood relation. So one question consists 5 questions and I will solve 2 questions. And from today I will add one topic of reasoning, mains level reasoning, and I will add one topic of reasoning daily. Okay, and we will keep on changing them. Then I will solve 10 question of perfection batch, perfection book, and I will make a video about it also for you all. Okay, then I will read the editorial and note some vocab from it. Then next is banking awareness. I will attend the class, plus I will make short notes for banking awareness, because whenever I want to revise the banking awareness, then I will go through my notes. And you can follow Kapil Katpal sir for banking awareness on YouTube. Then I will do prelims level question practice. I will do this from Guidely Bundle PDF course. This PDF course is very useful. I will give you link in description. And one more thing is that it is available in both the languages like Hindi and English. So it will be very helpful. You will also get video solutions if you have any doubt. So if you want to buy, check the description. Then I will revise March 100 question and answer PDF from Affairs Cloud. So that's all for tomorrow. Okay, don't push yourself too much, and if you are feeling demotivated like me, then don't worry, it happens with everyone. I know it is very difficult to understand this, but we have to go through it. Like, we have to do it. We are human beings, and it is obvious that sometimes we feel demotivated and we need someone to talk to. But if you are not able to find somebody to talk to, just talk to yourself, or just write it down on a paper. Some days I also feel like I don't have anybody to talk to, like talk about my goals or anything, but we are our best companions. So you can talk to yourself or like write a journal, because this phase comes in everyone's life. So just keep moving, and if you are not feeling well, then take rest. There is no need to push yourself that much hard. And also, if I am not able, if I will not feel healthy, then I will also not study, because these times are very crucial. Just health should be your main focus. So thank you. That's all for tomorrow. Just try to give your 100%. Okay, and take care of yourself and your family members. All the best, and God bless you.